Okay, this is the Viking Model 21, also known as the Viking Automatic. There were actually a series of Viking Automatics done. This is specifically the Class 21. Incredible machine. One of the most powerful machines that we've ever listed. We have listed FOF 130-6s. We've listed Nichi BU Novas that have a 1.3 amp motor. This Viking has a 1.5 amp motor. So it's going to be exciting to share the various sew-offs with you just to show you what this machine can do. Follow me down to the right if you would. I want to show you a couple of things. First of all, this first knob here that I'm touching is the stitch width. It's going to allow you to get a wide variety of stitching variation with this machine. And I'll give you just a quick look at some of the samples of that. I'm going to kind of bring it right over here. Hopefully that's a good angle for the camera. You can see a wide variety of stitches, everything from a standard straight all the way to several different variations of zigzags. Another sample of a zigzag type sample is this applique that we did. Try to give a good angle on that. Isn't that beautiful? This pattern you see, this flower pattern that just cascades down, and you can just see the amazing turning and tight turns that quilters would demand that this machine is capable of doing. This was done with about a size 2 or 3 as far as a zigzag. This machine is capable of sewing a stitch pattern of anything from 6 stitches per inch to 30 stitches per inch, and you can see a lot of that represented here. We're also going to, with this, before I get back into the machine again, excuse me, we're also going to include the original manual. It is a reprint, and as with other manuals, we've got it professionally bound. So it's a great resource in showing you every aspect of operating this machine, and also it's going to give you tips on keeping it running at a top-notch level. We have already serviced this machine inside and out, and it's ready to go, but this will help you for years to come keep this machine running just as well as it will be when it reaches you. Let's go back to the machine again if you would. Again, we've just left the stitch width area directly to my right. This is the control knob that allows you to lower the feed dogs so that you're able to do freehand embroidery, or also just lower them so that you can take some of that pull off of more delicate materials like the satins and in that area. Up to the top we've got the stitch length. Very easy lever to move up and down. If you go all the way up, you're going to be sewing in reverse. And again, it does have stitch capability as far as per inch of anything from 6 to 30. And just to the left, just above slightly to where the stitch length control is the needle position. Moving it to the left obviously is going to move the needle to the left, to the right, and center position where you'll be sewing most of the time. Let me also show you something. If you want to kind of come out just a little bit on your shot of the machine, I just wanted to show you that the other nice thing about this automatic, and that's really how it gets its name, is with most machines, if you're sewing, you've got to disengage the clutch on that hand wheel in order to wind a bobbin. With this one, once you pop that bobbin, and I'm going to just pop it on here, you'll be able to see the bobbin winding control on the side of the machine in the different photographs we'll provide. But once you pop it on, that's all you have to do to disengage the sewing aspect of the machine. And when you take it back off, I won't push on the pedal because we have it threaded right now, but it's ready to sew immediately. So wonderful feature on this Viking. I love it. Okay, follow me back up to the top of the machine, and you're going to be it's going to be kind of difficult to see it, but there are 2 spools of thread on here. So this Viking Model 21 is capable of doing dual needle sewing, and I believe that we are going to offer both the zigzag needle plate and also a straight stitch plate as well. So you'll have the versatility to go either way with that. Very easy threading system if you kind of follow me down around through here. And Great clearance also on this foot. You'll see in the sew-offs that we're able to get a wide variety of thick materials through there with no difficulty at all. The other nice feature about this machine is it is a free arm, and with a simple release of a lever underneath here, I can remove that. And you'll notice on the bottom it's got a support leg as well, so that if you're having to do cuffs or something like that, you can remove it easily. And it's just as easy to put this back on as simply sliding it across, and it locks back in place. Make sure you check out our other videos as well. This is just an amazing, powerful, and versatile machine. We're really excited to introduce it to our buyers, and make sure you check out our other sew-offs as well.